Right?
What are we getting?
Leaf lard.
Okay. So where are we?
He can tell us.
Okay.
We're at HertaBerkSchwein Farms.
HertaBerkSchwein Farm, and we're picking up leaf
Leaf
lard.
lard.
Okay. Why do we drive an hour and a half?
Because it's the lard above the kidneys, right?
That's correct.
And it's better for pie making, which is what I'm doing. And it keeps it from smelling like pork in the pie.
I'm good with that then.
But it gives it a flaky crust.
Excellent.
That's why we drove all the way out here.
And this is the place to get it.
So you have rendered leaf lard there.
Okay. Cool. Right? You don't want me rendering anymore?
Would you like to
No,
see it in the
you-
raw form?
Yes, let's see it in the raw form, and then let's thank you for doing all that free work.
There, you'll lose.
Honey, come on.
Come on, close the door.
This is what you eat. Go fast like that.
Go ahead.
Look.
So this is the kidneys. This is leaf lard.
That is it.
That is
That's
leaf
the
lard.
kidney right
That's
there.
the kidney, and this is the leaf lard.
So that's the only part that can make the leaf
Yeah.
lard.
So this gets pulled out. This is pre-rendered. This is prior to being rendered. That's what leaf lard looks like. This is 4 hogs worth of leaf lard.
Very nice. Yeah, I see it. Wow.
This is all going down to the Ritz-Carlton in Fort Lauderdale.
Ritz-Carlton and
Ritz-Carlton, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah.
Beautiful looking.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So this is specifically what we're getting.
And that is a roaster going to Universal Studios for their luau.
How cool.
Very nice.
So next time we do it for church, we come here.
We should.
Messed it up and he complained.
Yeah, we sell most of the product that we sell obviously right off the farm, but most of the stuff that we sell is to high-end chefs because of the reason that they know how to use every ounce of the pig. So they take all that leaf lard, they basically render it down, they use it for their pastries, so their pastry chefs use it in their restaurants. The kidneys, they take the kidneys, they take the livers, they
Yeah.
take the caul fat.
Yeah.
The caul fat they wrap around their chicken.
Right.
So when they roast their chicken, the caul fat basically adds moisture into the chicken
Yeah.
automatically, so it makes it very moist. And then the kidneys and the livers and all this stuff, they render all that down for pate.
Do you think that I'm a professional chef now? Because I'm shopping at the same
Yeah.
place.
How about we try? 1, 2.
Your wife said, was it your wife who answered me on
Yeah.
that? It lasts indefinitely in the fridge?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So it's pints,
Uh-huh.
and then we have some larger ones back here that are quarts.
Okay. Why don't you give me 4 quarts?
4 quarts.
Yeah, I'll have
4 quarts. What were you originally coming here to get?
I was just gonna get a couple, but then I thought since it lasts indefinitely in the fridge.
Why not?
This is frozen?
Yes,
No,
this is
oh,
frozen.
yeah.
Yep.
So do you think I should keep them in the fridge? Oh, can they thaw out now?
I mean, it will take a little while for it to thaw. How far are you gonna go?
An hour. But,
So I'll give you a.
I've got a cooler.
Okay.
I packed
Will
one.
it fit? Well, we're gonna get bacon. That's my reward.
You want some bacon?
Turned it up a little bit too high and walked away.
Oh, yes.
When you were rendering it yourself, I remember that, and I remember the.
It's not worth it.
I remember the smell,
The smell.
and then the oh no, it didn't work, and then I was like, so the smell is for nothing. Yeah.
So this is the thing. I always tell everybody: if you have a KitchenAid and you have the grinder on the KitchenAid,
I don't.
but
You do have the KitchenAid, though.
yes. So it's an easy added thing you can put on your KitchenAid. And what I do is I take the leaf lard and I put it through the
Make
grinder.
it really small.
Yes, it takes you less than 30 minutes to render it.
Once it's very small.
Yes. So I put in 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
And then I usually throw it through the grinder,
Yeah.
and then I put it straight into the pot with the water.
Yeah.
And by the time you get done grinding all of the fat,
Yeah.
most of it's all rendered. And then you can just pour it right into canning jars.
Huh.
Yeah, super easy.
All right, we're gonna do that next time.
No, we're gonna get it rendered by these fine
It
folks.
doesn't stink.
It doesn't?
It does not stink.
Okay, I'll take your
No,
word
I'm
for it.
sorry, I've got you on.
I
Put
know.
it on my blog.
I swear, it doesn't.
We might come back and just get the unrendered and let you give it a shot because I know you like doing these kinds
I was
of
gonna say, even if you do a little to begin with,
Yeah.
you know, then you get to really see, and then it's no big deal.
I mean, I've rendered other things before. I've made tallow and all of that, but you know, they won't complain about the smell.
No.
The tallow.
Well, cool. All right. So what else were you interested in?
And nothing.
Those
Just
things?
bacon.
All right, you're welcome.
We got bacon and sausage already.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, he talked us into, well, he didn't really talk us. He goes, yeah, I got bacon and sausage. I'm like, yes, we'll do it.
And the bacon's made with brown sugar and salt.
Beautiful.
So it's not, doesn't have the pink nitrate salt in it.
Beautiful.
Which is nice.
Yes.
Yeah, we got 4 quarts of lard, so I'm good for that.
Okay. Well, if that ever happens, just let me know, and I'll make sure to put it in a cooler and put it out there so that you can pick it up.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can always pay me online.
Okay.
Yeah, easy enough.
All right, thank you.
Absolutely. Heidi.
Nice
Nice to meet you.
Just stop filming.